Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Open the Berry Avenue scene and confirm the mesh and texture maps are present. Select the specific face you'll edit, then enable Vertex Snap and set the grid to 0. 5 for precise placement. Once done, turn on wireframe and face normals so you can see inside the geometry. This avoids flipped faces later. You're already editing, so don't pause on preferences, make measured moves, and keep the original mesh backed up in a named version. You now refine topology. Insert edge loops to define the cheek and jaw curvature, and use face inset to control edge flow. This reduces distortion when subdividing. Once loops are placed, relax vertices to smooth transitions, pin key vertices in the UV editor so islands keep their shape. Make sure UVs respect a 1:1 texel ratio for consistent texture density. If the face is symmetrical, mirror one side and weld seams with about 0.01. Finish by applying one subdiv modifier to confirm the silhouette reads correctly in scene, and run a quick deformation test with a simple rig to check joint behavior. Once done, bake normal and ambient occlusion maps at 2048 to capture surface detail, and preview under scene lighting. If you see shading artifacts or seams, make sure normals aren't flipped. Reproject the offending area from the high-res mesh, or lower interpolation to 1/16 to remove banding. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most final pass problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.